Hi everyone, it's Tom here from HardSoft and welcome to another episode of my tech tips. Today I want to talk about a feature on my iPhone that I use literally every single day as part of my lifestyle. Now everyone has different routines and methods that they use for helping themselves get ready for bed, for calming down, for relaxing, be it meditation or reading and things like that. For me, something that I find works really well is having background noise. So if it's raining, I'm very happy, sounds of the ocean, traffic, white noise as well. Really helps me relax and calm down for bed. But also, if maybe you're studying or working as well, having some kind of, ambient background noise is usually quite useful. Now, Apple have added into the settings of the phone, of your iPhone, a way to switch this on. So if you go into your settings and then you want to go to accessibility, and then you've got audio visual, and then from there you can see there is just background sounds. Going on to background sounds, you can switch it on and off, but you can also see the list of the different ways that you can use it. So if you want the sound of the ocean or a stream or the rain, it's all there for you. You can choose how it sounds, if it's going to play alongside the regular media, and if you just wanted to switch off when you lock your phone as well. So that's just built into the settings, hidden in the background, and now that's something I use every single day to help me go to sleep. So just one more little thing to build on a tip that I gave you a couple of weeks ago. I showed you how with your photos on the iPhone, you could hold down to select items in that photo and then drag them to your text and send them to other people. But I didn't fully realize at the time that this is now across the board with your iPhones on all kinds of different apps. As you can see on the screen, I've got the browser open, I've got an image on my screen with that, and then a text window open, and you can as simply hold on to the image, drag it off the screen there, so you've got to kind of pick it up a little bit from its original position. You'll see it floating, and just use your other finger to go to whatever app you want and drag it straight in. It's across everything, so if you're dragging photos, links, anything like that from another article, another app, another web page, it's so easy. You don't need to individual copy paste anything. It's all there for you. Thank you so much for watching this week's episode of Tech Tips. Have a great rest of your day.